Welcome back to Text Club videos. Here we are with a new video. This is a tutorial video in which I'm going to explain you how to install or run the MASM software. For this I would recommend you to log on to textclub.com and see the tutorial steps step by step. So here's the post I've written. In this, as you see, these are the steps. So initially it tells you to download these two files which are required to run the software, and the first one is a DOS box, which is a emulator which helps you to run on different platforms. So download these. So here's the download link for both. Just click on them and download the files. After you have downloaded, just open the second file, which is the 8086 assembler. I'll just show you, which is a compressed file, so you need to extract those files to your C drive. So here I've downloaded it, so just open it, and this is the WinRAR. So just select the folder and click on extract to, and select the C drive and just click on OK. As I've already extracted it, it's just showing me, so just yes to all, and that is extracted. So the second step is done. You can see here these are shown in the pic also. The next step is open the second file, which is the DOS box file, and you need to install it. I'll just show it to you. So this is the DOS box. So as you can see here, just click on next and install. That's it, you're done. So just click on close. So the two files are done. Now next what you got to do is a shortcut file of the DOS box will be created on your desktop. So just go to your desktop, select the DOS box as you see here, just open it. As soon as you open it, a black screen pops up, and here you can see few commands and all. Just ignore it and just type the commands as shown. Here you can see the first command is mount c dot semicolon, colon 8086, and the next one is c colon. That's it, you're done. I'll just show you how to do it. So here I type mount c colon 8086. As you can see, a message has popped up saying that it has got mounted. Now change to your C drive, for that C colon, and now as usual you can continue doing your programs. To get the MASM software, the first command should be like edit your file name, something like experiment1.asm. Here you got your screen. You can type your program, execute it, link it and compile it, etc. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe us.